Hey, I know what is a proportion already. I know what is a ratio already. I know what is a rate already. I don't see the purpose. If I have a situation, usually I'm gonna have an unknown variable, and usually I'm gonna need to find the unknown variable, so I need to know a strategy to solve a situation that involves proportions. Yes, this is what we're going to see in this video. We're going to see how to solve situations using proportions. Okay, so I want that you imagine the next proportion that we're going to see, and the proportion is that we have an unknown variable x that is 2, 5, and it's going to be equal to 1.2 to 10. And I want to know what is the x value. Okay, so when you have these type of problems, you can go to the section in which I talk about equations, and using this part of equations you can solve this simple proportion, because as you can see, one side of the equation is having x over a value, and the other side of the equation it has essentially a number, so we just need to multiply both sides by this factor here, and that's it. So if we multiply by 5, we're gonna get like that here. This is going to be simplified, and in this case I'm gonna have 1.2 over 10 times 5. Now it's up to you the process to multiply them. Maybe you're kind of the guy who decided to first divide by 10 1.2, so you will have 0.12 times 5, and then you want to multiply 0.12 times 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 1, 5, and 1, 6, so you have 0.60. Okay? And this is how you solve a proportion when it's easy, because you have the x value on top of one of the ratios. Okay, it also applies if you have, for example, 3 to 6 is equal to x, oh sorry, 3 is to 6 as x is to 20. So in this case we have same deal, we just need to multiply times 20, and this is going to be simple. You can just simplify here, and let's simplify here. 20 is going to be 10, 6 divided 2 is going to be 3. Oh, look at 3 is going to be divided by 1, so 10 times 1 it's going to be 10. Oh teacher, oh Hugo Fim, please, hey, stop, don't do it so fast, please, stop. Hey, don't worry, you can do it as you want it. If you want to multiply 10 times 3, 30 divided by 6, 5, it's going to be okay. 20 times 3, 60 divided by 6, 10. It's okay. You just need to follow your step-by-step process as you want, okay? But as you can see, when the proportion has the unknown variable as one of the numerators of the ratio, so it's simple, because it will be just solving the equation using the strategies that you saw of how to solve equations. But what happens when our proportion is connected to one of the denominators? What happens if you have, let's say that the proportion you want to solve is 3 is to x as 5 is to 2. What happens if you have this proportion? How could you solve it? So here is when you can apply the cross product. I'm going to show you how the cross product works, and then I'm going to show you how you can apply the cross product immediately, because it's going to be established as a rule. So I'm going to show you why we can apply cross product, and then I'm going to show you how to use the cross product. So you don't need to demonstrate the cross product every time, you just need to apply. What I'm going to do is to multiply by both denominators of the expression. So in this case, I'm going to multiply by 2x. So if I multiply this term by 2x and this term by 2x, what's going to happen? So I'm going to simplify this 2 with this 2, and I can simplify this x with this x. And here you're going to have 2 times 3 equals 5 times x. Okay? So why do we call it the cross product? Why do you call it the cross product? You can call it the cross product because, as you can see, what I'm doing is kind of a cross. Look, what I'm doing is kind of a cross. I'm like taking this 2 here to multiply and taking this x here to multiply. So this is why we call it cross product. Okay, the cross product is only an application of properties of equalities that you see when you solve equations. In solving proportions, you can always apply the cross product to solve the proportion. In this case, we're going to have that 3 times 2 is 6 equals to 5x. And now you can just divide by 5, both sides, to have that x is going to be 6 over 5. Okay? So remember, I can just change 6 over 5. Look at that 6 over 5. It's like 1.2, and it's less than 3. It's less than 3. And it's according to our original proportion. Look at that. This number x should be less than 3 because 2 is less than 5. So we did something well here. And that's it. This is the cross product. I'm going to show you another example just to review the cross product. Let's say that we have the proportion 9 is to 26 as 2 is to x. So if you want to pause the video to do it by your own, the cross product, do it. Stop the video, do the cross product by your own, and then see the answer. Okay? It's okay. But now I'm going to apply the cross product. So the cross product is, hey, I'm going to go and multiply both denominators on the other side. This is what we're going to do in the cross product. So this is the cross product. So 9 times x will be equal to 2 times 26. Now I just need to divide by 9, both sides of the equation. So look at that, this is going to be 2 times 26, is going to be 2 times 26 is 52 over 9. Let's say that you want to use mixed numbers. So remember that mixed numbers here will be 5. 5 times 9 is 45, to 52 is 7. Right. Okay, so now I found the answer using cross product. And this is how you can apply cross product to solve situations that involve proportions. In the next video, we're going to talk about the strategies and examples of real situations that maybe you can see in the news or in real life, in which we can apply solving proportions. I hope you have an excellent day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, I forgot to tell you. You can do an example and comment how to do it. Let me give you an example. What happened if I want to find x here? What happened if I have 3 is to x as 2.5 is to 10.5. Answer it. Use cross product to answer this proportion and tell me your answer. Remember to write in the comments, to like the video if it helps you to understand how to apply cross product to solve proportions. See you soon. Bye bye.